Hey, Ryan here with Thanks.io. In this video, I'm going to show how to construct this mortgage home equity line of credit campaign that you see on the screen here. Tap your home equity and get cash out in 5 days or less. You can use this for pretty much any cash out refinance or HELOC that you might have available. So the first step was to go to the image builder section in Thanks.io under image templates, and you can kind of build out all the variables here, and it'll dynamically create your card and also put the address of the property into the card. So let's just skip here to the actual working prototype, the version here. And you can see we've filled out a title. We've picked the blank template at the bottom right. We've put the street view of the property. This is what gets really good response because the person's getting a picture with their house on it, right, on the postcard. Headline, subheadline, and then the QR code redirect. This goes to a landing page where the person can watch a video and learn more about the specific program being offered. So you can either set that up, or you can just have them go directly to your website where they would, enter, to a form where they can enter for more info or whatever you want to do. In our case here, this client's example, Josh, he's just sending it to a landing page. Logo image URL. This is the logo up at the top left. We got the NMLS number in there. So you get the image built. Then you go to the message template section here. We'll open up our home equity. You just create a new template. We chose postcard. You can choose different handwriting styles and fonts. We put the same URL in here for the QR code, right? That goes to the landing page. And then the text here is if you'd like to use some of the equity and address to make some upgrades or to buy a second home. You're taking a video that explains our fresh, this isn't HELOC, and so on. So what I'll do down below where you're watching this, either in the description on YouTube or we'll have a link to a blog post, we'll put the a direct link to the script here that we're using, and also you can have the direct link to this actual image template right here. We have the ability in Thanks to just share this over to you, so you can click that. It'll open it up all pre-filled for you and ready to go, and you just swap out your different logo and things like that. Next thing I want to show you is how to get this sent to a targeted list. So you go to the mailing list section right here, you click add list, and then you can click radius search right here. You can also do a more custom search, but I like to show the radius search. Makes life kind of easy. I'll just pick an address anywhere near me right now that pops up. Say I want to pick 100 people. And you'll see you can drop down right here, and you can actually choose likely to refi or people with home equity 50% plus, home free and clear, people who own their house free and clear right there. You can also do possibly underwater for different programs right here. So I'll do likely to refi, and then I won't include condos. And then you can quickly just go ahead and buy the mailing list. 100 records would be $5. They're 5 cents a record for this data. And then you can mail to that data as often as you want. Once you have all this set up, sending is pretty simple. You click the Send Now button. You go to the postcard type you want to send. I'll just send the small 4x6s. The campaign you just built should be just showing up right here in your image library up at the top left because you just built it. Hit Continue. You'll select the template that you chose, which was the home equity template. This will build it out right here, like so. You'll hit Save and Continue. You'll choose your existing mailing list. So that was the last one I just did. And then you can set your return address right here on this last step if it's not the one that's tied to your Thanks.io account. But just like that, submit and send now, and your campaign will be out the door. As easy as that with Thanks.io. Other good news here, if you don't want to do all this work, the Thanks.io team will actually just do this for you. If you come into the system and you click on the concierge design option in the left side and just say, hey, I want that mortgage campaign that I saw in the video. Please set that up for me. And our team will zip this out for you once you've created your account and added your credit card. We'll just do all the work for you. So if you want to take us up on that option, go on over to Thanks.io and create your free account today. We'll also mail you out some samples in the mail so you can get a sense for the quality and how it all works. But this is a very quick way to get targeted leads for your mortgage business. All right, have a good one here from Thanks.io.